What if I told you that attracting your soulmate isn't just about luck or chance, it's about aligning with love on a deeper and more intentional level? With Valentine's Day around the corner, love is in the air, but for some of us, the search of true love feels endless. In this video, I'll share secret techniques for manifesting your soulmate, creating the love life you've ever dreamed of. Hi, I'm Sanskriti Sethi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering how to finally meet your soulmate, this video is for you. I'm going to guide you through some powerful, practical, and spiritual techniques that will help you attract the kind of love you truly desire in your life. But here's the thing. Manifesting your soulmate isn't just about chasing someone else, it's about doing the inner work, shifting your energies, and opening yourself to the magic of love. So grab a cozy spot and let's dive into these secret techniques for manifesting your soulmate. Step number 1. Get crystal clear on what you want. The first step in attracting your soulmate is clarity. Most people say that they want love, but they don't really know what it really means to them. Take a moment to ask yourself, what qualities do you want in your partner? What kind of relationship do you want to create? How do you want to feel in a relationship? Be very, very specific but not superficial. Instead of focusing on the height or job, focus on how they make you feel loved, respected, inspired. Write it down in your journal. This clarity acts as a signal to the universe, letting it know exactly what you are ready to receive. Step number 2. Heal past wounds. Manifesting your soulmate requires you to release the emotional baggage from the past relationships. If you are holding on to resentment, heartbreak, fear, it creates energetic blocks that can prevent love from flowing into your life. So here is the technique. Sit in a quiet space and visualize a cord connecting you to anyone or anything from the past life. And you have to let it go today. Imagine cutting that cord gently with love and forgiveness. Repeat after me. I release the past and open my heart to new love. The lighter your energy becomes, the more space you create for your soulmate to enter in your life. Step number 3. Embody the love you want to attract. Here's the secret no one talks about. You attract what you are, not what you want. If you're looking for a kind, compassionate, and a confident partner, start being those qualities yourself first. Ask yourself, am I treating myself with love? Am I treating myself with respect? Do I show up as a person I want to attract in my life? And you have the answer. Start practicing self-love daily. Treat yourself to things that make you happy. Set healthy boundaries. Exercise. Speak kindly to yourself. When you vibrate at a frequency of love, you naturally draw loving energies around you. Step number 4. Use visualization and affirmation. Visualization is a very, very powerful tool of manifestation. Each day, take a few minutes to imagine your soulmate already into your life. Picture moments of joy, connection, love. Use affirmation, I deserve true love. My soulmate and I are drawn to each other effortlessly. Love flows easily into my life. The more you align to these affirmations, these thoughts, energy, you're going to get the partner closer to your manifestation. Step number 5. Trust divine timing. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to control everything, how their soulmate will show up and what time it will show up. Trust that the universe has everything perfect behind the scenes. Only you need to take certain steps to reach there. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि बैठे बैठे सब काम हो जाए. It doesn't work like that. Instead of focusing on the absence of love, focus on gratitude for the love that's already in your life, your friends, your family, even yourself. When you realize attachments to be outcome, you allow love to flow freely. Step 6. Take inspired actions. Put yourself in situations where you meet new people. Say yes to opportunities that brings joy and connection. Be open to love showing up in any unexpected way. Remember, your soulmate could be closer than you think, but you have to stay open and willing to receive. Step number 7. Watch for signs from the universe. The universe is going to give you signs in many, many ways. Stay alert to your signs. Manifesting soulmate isn't about magic trick. It's about aligning with love, allowing the universe to guide you by getting clear intention, healing your past. If you're ready to attract your manifestation journey to the next level, I highly encourage you to book an Akashic Record reading. This is a powerful tool that can help you uncover blocks, heal your old patterns, and align with the energy of love. Book your reading now. The link is in the description box. You can hop onto our WhatsApp number +919634003939 or book it directly from our website www.sanskritiseti.com. Stay tuned for more videos on manifestation, relationships, and spiritual growth. See you next time.